In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva animations. If you want to make your designs feel more dynamic and professional, Canva's animation tools are a great place to start. They're simple to use, and even if you're completely new to Canva, you can add movement to text and photos in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process so you can start experimenting right away. First, go to Canva and open the platform in your browser. Once you're there, make sure you're on the main Canva workspace so you can begin creating a new design. This is where all of Canva's design tools are accessible, including the animation features we'll be using. Next, click on Create. This opens up a new design area where you can start working on your project. Depending on what you're making, you may choose a presentation, social media post, video, or another format. The important thing is to enter the Canva editor because that's where the animation options become available. Once your design is open, select a text element or a photo. This step is important because Canva animations are usually applied to a specific object or element in your design. If you click on a text box, the animation will affect that text. If you click on an image, the effect will apply to the photo. Instead, be sure the item is clearly selected before moving on, otherwise the animation menu may not show the right options. After selecting your text or photo, click on Animate. You'll usually find this option in the top toolbar of the Canva editor. When you click it, Canva will open a panel showing the animation effects available for that selected element. This is the main control center for adding motion, and it's designed to be very visual and easy to browse. Now choose an animation style. Canva offers a variety of effects, and each one gives your design a different look and feel. Some styles are subtle and smooth, while others are more energetic and attention-grabbing. As you click through the options, Canva typically previews the effect for you, which makes it easier to decide what works best for your design. A good tip here is to match the animation style to the tone of your content. For example, softer motion can feel more polished, while stronger movement can help highlight something important. And that's the basic process for using Canva animations. Once you've tried a few styles, you'll quickly get a feel for what works best with your text and images. Keep testing different effects to make your designs more engaging and visually interesting.